What is the second type of ad that you should create for your business when running ads on YouTube? In this video, which is part 2 of a 6-part series on what ads you should run for your business, I'm going to break down in-market audiences and why you should be using these when running ads on YouTube. Now in yesterday's video, which I'll put up right above me here, you can click on it and watch it, I broke down keyword campaigns and how you should be using keyword campaigns when just starting out with YouTube. They're easy, you can hyper target in real time what people are watching or what they're searching for. But one thing that is hard with keyword campaigns is you might not know exactly what to target. You might be breaking into a niche, or maybe you're not. Maybe you're too close in your niche and you're not thinking like a consumer, so you're not really understanding what it is they might be searching for. There's good news. If you're just using YouTube ads for the first time, or you're just getting started with them, then a great way to broadly target who you're looking for is with in-market audiences. In-market audiences are found in the audience section of the targeting. And essentially what it is Google is targeting people, or Google's going to show your ad to people who are in the market, right? They make it very clear, in-market audience. So if you're trying to target people and you are a loan officer or you're a real estate agent, you can target people that Google believes is in the market for a new home. What they do and how this works is they use the search criteria. They use the interest-based level of targeting, meaning if I as a consumer am looking for a home and I'm visiting sites like Zillow or Trulia, or I'm doing mortgage payment calculators, then Google starts to learn and figure me out as a user, and it begins to think maybe Nick is in the market to buy a house based on what he's watching, based on what he's searching for, based on the websites that he's visiting. We know as Google that Nick is probably interested in buying a home. And this is great. This takes a lot of the guesswork out of your targeting. Here's the downside with in-market audiences is, as smart as Google is, Google doesn't know when I bought a home. At least they don't in real time. So here's a good example. When I moved recently, for months, I was shown ads still from Zillow, from Quicken Loans, from a lot of different companies that were in the real estate space. But the problem is I was no longer in the market. There had to be some time before that funnel or that trail of advertising and interest kind of died off. And that's the catch 22 with in-market audiences is you're going to spend money. And yes, you're going to be shown to people who are looking for things, who are researching, who are watching things, which is powerful. But you're also going to be shown to people who maybe aren't in the market anymore. So you could be targeting life insurance and you could be going after the in-market audience for life insurance. However, someone could have bought a policy that same day or the day before, and your offer is buy life insurance. So they're going to skip the ad because it's no longer of interest to them. It's no longer something that they're in the market for in real time. Great way to scale, great way to put money behind a campaign, and Google's just going to continuously show that ad to your audience. And if you already have it there, it's a great template to use for your message and for your offer. And it's easily scalable, and you will be shown to people who are in the market. However, you're also going to be shown to people who are no longer in the market because Google just, well, they don't know what you did, at 12 noon today. So if you're just getting started with YouTube ads, then in-market audiences is the second best way, the second easiest way, I would say, for you to get started with running your YouTube ad campaign. My suggestion when running in-market audiences is if you want to test a few different audiences together, you certainly can. You can run 3 to 4 to 5 audiences in one campaign and see which one's going to perform better for you. Google's going to automatically begin to optimize for what it believes to be the best result. So you want to watch your numbers, you want to watch your metrics, and you want to verify that the audience that is winning is actually one that's producing leads and sales for you. So if you want to test them, that's great, but also keep an eye on it because you might need to start to prune it back and trim it back and take audiences out of that campaign. I hope this helps. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we're going to break down retargeting and how that's another great option for you to use when creating your YouTube ads. But if you like this video, hit subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Hit like, comment on the video below. Let us know what your thoughts are. Let us know how you're using in-market audiences, and we'll see you on the next video.